This video is sponsored by Uppbeat. Hello and welcome back to a brand new episode of Microworlds series in our channel Tuber365, where I'm going to show you the creation of Microworlds speed artwork simply using a template. And I have also added the template download URL in the description below. Let me give you a little insight. The idea for this piece came out while exploring through other digital artists' artwork about Microworlds or Neewer. Arun's creation created this cool 3D map and the video published on 2016. Picture Fun created this 3D model mini world and the video published also on 2016. Andike Zhiyun created Water Cube and the video published on 2017. Nimanza Sikulek recreated this impossible triangle and he got the idea from some other artist and the video published on 2018. Benny Production created this cool micro world and the title is This Is Not 3D and the video published on 2021. And Phase Runner created this super cool futuristic city and the artwork published on 2021 at the Microworlds official Instagram page. So for this piece, I'm going to follow on the Microworld theme so that I can put my own signature on it. Let's line up all the free stock assets. And as usual, I downloaded all the stock images from Pixabay, Pexels and Unsplash.com. Quality music or sound increases the production value. It evokes emotional responses. It emphasizes what's on the screen and indicate moods. For any visual, audio plays a vital role because it engages your audience. This piece speed artwork visual also gives me an excuse to get in some good quality sounds. And I know just the right place to get some super quality royalty free music. Uppbeat, my go-to music source for all the YouTube videos. Uppbeat is an exciting new music platform offering free music for creators. This is the first freemium music platform for the creators. With a huge music library, Uppbeat is the perfect royalty-free music resource to have as a creator. Uppbeat is for all the creators. That means YouTubers, streamers, podcasters, bloggers. You can use Uppbeat music for any social media platform as long as your content is free to your audience. You can create a free account and download up to 10 music free tracks every month or just sign up to Uppbeat Premium for unlimited download just for $6.99 a month. You will have access to a wide range royalty free sounds like beats, vibe, mood, funny, creative toolkit, cinematic theme, music style and lot more. So for this speed art, I needed some sound for the visuals to engage my audience and I downloaded all the music from Uppbeat. So why wait friends, sign up to Uppbeat today. If Uppbeat is for you, they offer Uppbeat Premium for life just about $200. I'll drop a Uppbeat link in the description below. I hope you'll enjoy the video and if you do, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified about any new content in this channel. Okay, let's roll it.